I jumped off the porch after taking notes. Started making dough and started playing broke. I was making.
And then like how did like you got your own brand as well?
Yes.
So like what was the process getting to your first 6 figures with that, like from 0 to 100,000?
Well, I started it on what I like to call a hybrid store. So it's like a general store, but with a very clean branded design, kind of focused on one main broad category. So I did it in the home niche, basically products for your home, because this was really when COVID was coming around and a lot of people were stuck at home. So I was testing a bunch of products. Like I did all type of like home decor, decorations, like home enhancements, like, and they all were really flopping. But then I saw this other product, and it was more of a tech-based product, and it still applied to the home niche. And I was like, this is good. It had like 9 million views on Facebook, but the video quality was terrible. Like it was very low quality video, like 240p. Like the website was not good. So I saw that as an opportunity. So then I have been editing videos for a while, and that was not my first dropshipping store or a Shopify store. So it only took me a day to launch a product page and a video ad and a campaign. So I did that in a day. And then by the next day, the product was doing very well.
That's dope.
And
By very well, what do you mean?
like it got to like $200 a day off of like $20 in spend, $30 in spend. So I was like, okay, this could be good, really good. So right away, I ordered it on Amazon, the most similar one I could find. And then I made my own video ad. And that video was performing twice as good. So my ROAS doubled, my cost per click went down. And then I just basically was like, okay, now I can scale this up. I'm not worried about getting banned. I have my own video. Nobody else has this video. Put my watermark and just start spending more money. And the product just kept growing continuously. So that's when I made the decision to say, okay, we're not even going to do the hybrid store anymore. We're just going to rebrand and focus on this product. And that was like the first 100,000.